Hello friends, do you think that your phone is safe from hackers? Or do you think that your phone is being used by someone without your permission? There is no device in the world which can't be hacked, but we can know whether our phone is under control of hacker or not, and we can take active steps to be away from being hacked. Well, in this video we are going to see 5 symptoms of a phone which has been hacked. So without getting any delay, let's get started into video. Number 5. Some apps stop working as like they used to. Sometimes new unknown apps may be danger to your old apps. Something is interfering with your proper functionality, and then your old apps do not open or suddenly stop working in the meantime of using. Some strange apps are working like malware on your phone, so you should delete such strange app immediately after you see on your phone. Number 4. Your phone get heated more than usual. Your phone get heated however you don't use your phone or you do not make a phone call. There is an unknown apps making your phone work so hard due to which it get heated. Heating up of your phone without any reason is not a good sign, so you should take steps immediately. Number 3. You find that your battery is running out quickly. If you notice that your phone's battery is getting short, then it must be a reason. This can happen when unknown apps is running on a background. Such apps run in a background mode without any notice even when phone is closed, and they take away your phone's energy. Due to this, you find that your phone's battery is running out very quickly. Number 2. Your smartphone seems slower than it used to be. We often think that slowing a phone is because of phone's older age. In fact, just like shorter battery life, it can caused by the malware running in background on your phone. Those bad apps transfer data continuously from your phone, due to which your phone's processor get unwanted pressure and your phone's performance drop down. Number 1. Your phone's reboot or switch off or starts application itself. When there is an entry of malware inside your phone, then your phone get infected, due to which your phone start to perform unwanted activities like rebooting on itself. All the activities are controlled by that malware, so that you cannot use your phone as like of before. So then how to protect phone from being hacked, or what are the steps to get rid of this problem? Well, try running mobile anti-malware software. Delete all the unknown apps that you haven't installed. You can also reset your phone to go back to original settings. If it is not possible by you, then you should consult a professional and try to get rid of hacker. Well, if you found this video interesting and informative, then give this video with like and subscribe our channel for more upcoming like this video.